everyone, welcome back to the new video. In this video we are going to discuss the question number 13 of exercise 3a. In this question, the main purpose that is express each of the following decimals as an improper fraction. So, and also in its simplest form. So we know that what is the simplest form. For example, the value that is 2 upon 12. Okay, so we can further simplify this, so it will be 1 upon 6, but it is not a it is not a improper. Okay, we know that what is improper fraction, where improper is that numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater and denominator is less. Okay, so for here, that is part A, the question 13 part A. Yes, 1.07 dot notation. So we will begin with the solution. Class, one thing is clear here, that we have to go with the same process that we did in our question number 12. Okay, the main purpose to move the decimal and to take out one pair of recurring place out of the decimal. So the let x is equals to 1.07 dot recurring. Okay, now continue with the, so I will have to multiply by 10, so it will be 10x is equals to 10.7, where 7 is the recurring. Again we are going to multiply that number, so it will be 100x is equals to 107.7 is the recurring number. So we see that where is the common recurring, in this part and in this. Okay, so it means these two equations are subtracting. Now I am writing in the form of algebraic. We are not writing it as a long division. Okay, so here it will be 100x minus 10x is equals to 107.7 recurring minus 10.7 recurring. So this dot 7 will be subtracted, and after that 107 minus 10, so the value will be 97. Okay, so here the value will be 90x is equals to 97. Now by balancing, the next equation will be 97 divided by 90, and now it is a proper fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we can also write it as 1 whole 7 upon 90. 91 is 90 plus 1 is 97. So this is the answer of our part A. Okay, so we are moving to the next part, that is part B. Okay, so here it is. The part B is 2.115, where 5 is the recurring decimal. Good, yes. So now let's begin with the solution. Now the step 1 is remains same. Let x is equals to 2.115 dot. So after multiplying by 10, x is equivalent to 21.15 dot. Again we are multiplying, so it will be 100x by, and the value will be 211.55 is the recurring. Now if we see that there is zero point 0.5, there is no zero point 0.5 in any above value now, so it means we are going further again, so that 1000x is equals to 2115.5. So as we see that one digit of recurring value is out from the decimal, so it means here we stop now. Now this 0.5 and this 0.5 will be subtract out. I hope you understand. It is all about the previous lectures now. So what we will do here, we are going to subtract 1000x minus 100x is equals to 2115.5 dot minus 211.5 dot. That is recurring decimal, so here the value will be 900x, and here the value which we get is 904 1904. Okay, so here according to the balancing, so 1904 divided by 900. Okay, I hope you understand what we are doing here. So let me explain it again. We want to find the value of x, so it means this 900 will be eliminated from there. So for that we are dividing that equation by 900. Okay, so here 900 ones are 900, so that's how we get this equation. Now I'm moving. Okay, so the next step, we have some simplification here, and we will do that. So the value will be that is 925 952 divided by 900. No, that will be 450. Now how we do it here, so let's crack it. We have a common factor, that is 2, so this will be 2 9s are 18, 1 is carry on 0, so it will be 10, 2 5s are 10, and 2 2s are 4. Okay, now what about the denominator? 2 4s are 8, 1 is carry on 0, so it will be 10, so 2 5s are 10, and 0 as it is, 2 zeros are 0. Now we further simplify this. Yes or no? Yes, we can further simplify this again with the 2, because 2 is the common factor in between them. So the value will be 476, and here the value will be 225. So here we see that the x is equals to 476 divided by 225. Now it is a improper fraction, so we further divide, and after division the value of x is equals to 2 whole 26 upon 225. If you multiply 225 by 2, so the value is, look at here, 225 by 2. 2 5s are 10, 0 here, 1 is here, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5, and 2 2s are 4. Now 450 and 450 plus 26, we will add it, 6, 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 as it is, so the value will be 476. So this is the answer of our part B. I hope you got that. So now it is not simplifiable because we have no other common factor. Okay, so this is the answer, and the part C is all on you. So thanks for watching, and do practice for these questions. Thank you.